Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your sanity or your paycheck. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums, comparing two titans, the eufy X10 Pro Omni and the ROPVACNIC robot vacuum cleaner. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Price. eufy X10 Pro Omni, the Rolls-Royce of robot vacuums, comes in at a whopping $799. Meanwhile, the ROPVACNIC robot vacuum cleaner is more like your reliable Honda Civic, priced at just $299. If you're the kind of person who thinks avocado toast is a luxury, ROPVACNIC might be your jam. Next, let's talk about suction power. eufy X10 Pro Omni boasts a jaw-dropping 8,000 pascal suction. That's like having a mini black hole on your floor. Pet hair? Gone. Hidden debris? Obliterated. Reviewers love its powerful suction, making it highly recommended for pet owners. ROPVACNIC, on the other hand, offers a respectable 4,000 pascal suction. It's like the vacuum equivalent of a solid handshake. Firm, but not bone-crushing. Users appreciate its strong motor and efficient dirt pickup capabilities. Now, let's mop up this comparison with some mopping technology. eufy X10 Pro Omni features the MopMaster 2.0, spinning at 180 rotations per minute with 1 kilogram of downward pressure. It's like a tiny, determined janitor scrubbing away your sins. Customers appreciate its auto-mop washing feature for convenience. Meanwhile, ROPVACNIC integrates advanced electronically controlled mopping technology with a 4-stage personalized water adjustment system. It's like the Goldilocks of mopping, never too wet, never too dry, always just right. Reviewers find it highly efficient and versatile. When it comes to brains, eufy X10 Pro Omni is the Einstein of robot vacuums. With AI, smart cleaning, it can identify over 100 different objects, even at night. It's like having a tiny robot ninja in your home. Reviewers praise its intelligence and obstacle navigation. ROPVACNIC, however, is no slouch. It offers comprehensive, intelligent control with multiple cleaning modes and voice commands. Plus, it's compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. Just say the word, and it's like having your own cleaning butler. Users love its smart capabilities and ease of use. Pet owners, listen up. eufy X10 Pro Omni has an auto-detangling roller brush that rotates in reverse to remove hair. No more wrestling with hairballs like a cat with a yarn ball. Reviewers highly recommend it for pet owners. ROPVACNIC also shines here with its no-entanglement design and dual-rotating electric side brushes. It's like a pet hair magnet on a mission. Users appreciate its efficiency in handling pet hair. Both the eufy X10 Pro Omni and the ROPVACNIC robot vacuum cleaner receive high praise from reviewers. eufy X10 Pro Omni is celebrated for its powerful suction, advanced features, and exceptional cleaning performance, making it a top choice for those seeking a hands-free, intelligent cleaning companion. ROPVACNIC, on the other hand, is lauded for its affordability, ease of use, and versatile mopping capabilities, making it a great budget-friendly option. All right, smart shoppers, there you have it. If you want the creme de la creme and are ready to splurge, the eufy X10 Pro Omni is your go-to. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly, reliable option, the ROPVACNIC robot vacuum cleaner has got your back. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep shopping smart. Product links are in the description.